So today we're going to play a game called Zombie Road Trip. So just loading right here. Go with that. Okay, so the cars that I've got, the road trip is the buggy we start off with. And I haven't upgraded the cars that I've got. So I've got the buggy, mammoth, the bug, and the muscle car. And currently I've got the muscle car. And with my weapons, I've got a pistol, fully upgraded, and I've also got assault rifle, fully upgraded. My personal favourite is a pistol. Yeah. So let's get straight into it. Preparing scenery. At the bottom we've got two arrows, and you use them to turn. So if I press the left one, I can do a backflip. If I press the front one, I can do a front flip. And we'll tap the screen, and you're on the screen, you shoot. So if the zombies are getting away, and then you shoot them. And behind you there's a zombie horde, and they're trying to come after you. And when you go into town, they go after you, go away. Yeah. And then you have these birds what have lottery tickets. I don't know where they came from that. They also have these weird squirrels and helicopters. Okay, and today's video is about how to get loads of boosts. See, already I got No! No. Don't want piano tiles. Okay, I might be able to upgrade one of my cars. The bug is also really good. And I'll show you the pistol. Okay, the bug is really good because it's easy to do perfect landing, unlike that. So today's goal is how to show you how to get your boost up is what is at the top, and a good way to do it. And whenever there's a jump, you always press left key arrow, so then you do a backflip and try to get a bug. It's about 300 coins, so it's not too hard to get. And I just got it there. And the way to get it is to backflip on every jump and try to get it perfect landing. But it's really easy with the bug. Yes, got the lot. And when the end, when you die or something like that, the lottery. Yeah, you have like a zombie hand, what you've like put stone from the zombies, and it points at a wheel that has 100, 10, 15 and all that. Yeah, and brains are the cool, so next to the pause button at the top. 100 brains. Okay, now you know how to do it. It's the end of the video, so bye.